Finding studs is relatively easy, providing you use a neodymium magnet. You can buy electronic stud finders. The problem with those is that they are expensive. Some of them cost £80 and £100 and they aren't much good. You're much better off using a magnet like that. That is a neodymium magnet, and these are actually shaped like that so as you can use them on a pin board. So that makes them very useful for finding studs. I've actually got a kit with 16 of these in, and that actually cost less than £10 delivered. For finding studs and joists, these magnets are absolutely fantastic. When a stud partition wall is built, the studs going up are fixed in position, and then the plasterboard is actually fixed to the studs using either nails or screws, and they of course are magnetic. So by using a magnet like this, you can actually find the heads on the screws, and then you know that you're actually drilling directly into a stud or a joist. So this is a stud partition wall. You can tell that by knocking it. It does sound very hollow. If we take one of the magnets, it's very easy to find the first screw, which is holding the plasterboard in position. Once we've done that, we then know that there'll be another one somewhere near, which is just down there. So that indicates the first stud. And then if we go approximately 2 feet or 600mm in this direction, we should be able to find another one. So the studs in this wall are positioned there and there. This is a very useful technique if you need to fix something heavy such as a TV bracket to a plasterboard wall, etc. You can simply screw straight into the studs. On this wall I'll actually be hanging a TV bracket soon, so we'd need to find the studs in this wall, and again it's very easy if you just use a magnet like this. You can simply slide that up and down, and eventually we will find a screw. So we've got one just there. We'll now go above that. We've got another one up there and another one there. If you ever need to fasten anything heavy to a ceiling, you can soon find out where the timbers are by using the magnets. That will pick up these screw heads. It is a little bit more difficult moving the magnet on this surface because it is textured. So whatever you do, don't go wasting money on an electronic stud detector. A lot of them don't work, they're pretty much useless. You can get much better results using some magnets. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you've not done so already, please subscribe to the channel.